family? Welcome to another episode of C-Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. Today's video is a review on the latest Union Jordan 4 Noir. That word always catches me, man. As you seen how I started the video, Jordan 4s done came so far to where we're here. You even have the ones that's not that popular, like these bad boys here. The Air Max 95 Jordan 4s, which I thought was super dope. I don't think we put enough respect on his name. Classic Air Max 95 green, Nike on the back. We didn't get this thing justice. But back to the sneakers of the hour. The Union Jordan 4 Noirs. I remember when the Jordan 1 Unions dropped and I kept getting this close. Kept telling me to act like a human. You need to act more like a human. Crazy. Then when these first released on the Union website earlier, the question that stomped everybody was, what color is orange? And a lot of people killed off that. I actually was lucky enough to get the guava. I didn't do the review, I'm sorry. But we're going to make sure we do this review. But before we get into this review, I want to show y'all a couple of pickups that I've gotten over the week. Supreme keep doing it to us, man. They keep taking everyday items, putting Supreme on them, and making them super dope. So here you got your Supreme Colgate toothpaste. Super dope, man. Shouts to Supreme for that. On to better stuff. We are the champions. Bah. We did it, LA. Lakers won a 17 final. I could not be so more happier than I am, man. Big Kobe friend. Laker fan since 9-6. So y'all know I brought all the gear. Some of the gear even saying December. It's not sold out. So if you're a Laker fan, go get your gear, man. Fanatics, Nike, they all got them. This is one of the pieces I got. Another piece is, yes sir. Y'all know I had to get this, man. Your Kobe Bryant, Michelin Ness, Hall of Fame jersey. Super dope, man. Detailing, gold, purple. I may not wear it. I think I'm just going to frame it. But I had to get it, man. Shout out to the Mamba. Now back to these. We're going to get into an in-depth review on these. But first, I want to see what you rocking on foot. This is part of the video where you, the viewer, will go down in that comment section below. And let your boy know what you rocking on foot when you caught this video. Me, I got see it look like I got a lot of colors on. But it's actually just gray and red, a little bit of black. I mixed it with the foam posit, what they call these, fighter jets? I want to say fighter jets, flighter jets, I can't remember. But they were super dope and I had to have them. One of the last pair of foam posits I brought before they started going too crazy. These were like the same crazies, but they were hot. So on foot today, I got on foam posit, flight jets, fighter jets. In that comment section below, please correct me. It's been a long time since these sneakers came out. I know they got the dog tags on them, so it gotta mean something with the Army, the Navy. In that comment section below, also let me know what you rocking on foot when you caught this video. And without further ado, hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. Off the back down here, you see your UNC at the bottom. Super dope. This yellow here is more of like a Union stamp color. But that blue with that white here, we already know we've seen that before. Maybe on my Legend Blue Jordan 11s. Definitely on my Carolina 6s. Whole bunch of sneakers, we've seen that before. So right here you have your Jordan Union logo. Blue and yellow. Jordan symbol there. In the top. Has the famous Jordan hands. Looks like the last shot. Look like he could be going for a rebound. But we already know those famous hands there. The bottom of the box, all kind of things. Nike, swoosh, ISO, Jumpman, Union. I'm just showing y'all all these because, you know, a lot of channels have fakes. Always trying to keep y'all secure. So I'm just trying to show you everything here. Got it. I got lucky, man. I won these straight off the sneakers app. You don't hear that too often. Yeah, I won a draw. I think I'm like 200,000 with draws. I won the Travis Scott Air Force Ones and these. I'm 0 for 10 on Kobe's this year, and I'm very mad about that. But I'm going to do the resale prices for him because Kobe's my guy, man. But I'm 0 for 10 on Kobe's, if you're listening, Nike. 0 for 10, real Kobe fan. It's not good. Flip open the lid. Nothing in here, no timestamp, no swoosh. Just a regular blue box. And that's where the fun begins. If y'all watch this channel, I'm a big fan of presentation. So when you give us tissue paper with Jordan on it, that's presentation at its best, man. Not only on one side, on both sides. Super dope, Union. Thumbs up for that, man. So after you flip open that, you have your regular tissue paper. And let's start with the right shoe. 360 view. Yep, you see that Nike on the butt, man. Any sneaker, we love that Nike on the butt. Boom. Now, from first glance looking at it, it looked like these Dawn Burgers I seen a long time ago. I think it had like the Superman look. That's what these colors give off to me from first glance. But as you dig more into the sneaker, you see that Union put their own spin on this sneaker. So let's start with this toe box. Mesh. Gotta love a mesh black toe box. You fear nothing, man. You spray your Crep Protect on there and you go. I think that's super dope. Right here. The tongue gives me original Jordan 4 vibes, but the way it's laced up, it also gives me a little bit of Jordan 5 vibes. In that comment section below, let me know if you agree. So your black is like your overall color of this shoe, and it goes all the way around. Mixed with mesh, a lot of suede. Soft suede. Listen. Yes, that's nice. The stitching on it really brings it out. Even though it's only white, it still pops. Comes with your gold yellow shoestrings, which I definitely will be switching to. It makes the sneaker pop tremendously. You have the white gate on the tongue. You also have the white gate in the windows. And your bottom shoestring lids are white also. When you get to the top, so you got a little bit of red here, soft red, close to pink. It's like a translucent red on both sides. A lot of flack about these wing gates or whatever you want to call them, but I like them. I've seen videos where people cut it out. But I mean, I feel like there's no need to customize. It's dope and it's different. Right here in your white window, you have the words Union LA. And the gold yellow tab. And up top, I feel like this blue was placed perfect. If it was just black, I wouldn't have mind, but this popped the sneaker off with this Union blue, the same ones, the same colors, the Storm Blue Jordan 1 Unions that drop. Then the back brings it all back together. Red, loud, bold Nike Air logo on your black rubber back of Jordan 4. Your bottom Has that union gold or yellow. Reads Nike in the blue. And the union gold is the whole bottom half of the shoe. Nice red bubble inside, complements the whole shoe. But that yellow around it makes the whole sneaker pop. Now let's get to the controversy of the shoe. I seen a lot of reviews before I decided to do mine. And a lot of people hate this folded tongue. You know, when you talk about a Jordan 4, the tongue is usually that big. I personally like this folded tongue here. But as you can see, it's stitching here. You can take that stitching right out and the tongue will pop right up. So if that's really a big issue for you, it's a simple fix. Me, I like the dope pocket cuff look. In that comment section below, let me know which way you prefer it. The big tongue or just a small pocket, how it comes. Take out the shoe tree. Regular Jordan shoe tree. Doesn't say Union on it. So your regular Jordan shoe tree. Your inside, Union Jordan, black, red logo. Now y'all know me, I'm always for the people, right? With the price tag of $250, I feel like they could have added something else. Maybe a Jordan card or, I don't know, a hang tag. In the comment section below, let me know. I'm happy to have them for the $250 price tag because right now they're going for $750 easily. I'm keeping these in my collection. I may even be wearing these this week. You know me, man. I wear my sneakers sometime. But these, I'm definitely in a rush to rock. The all black look is super dope. The guava ice, really not my thing. I would have liked to have kept them, but they just weren't my thing when I took them out the box, man. So here's a quick review on your Union Jordan 4 Noir. I'm never going to get that right, man. In that comment section below, let me know if you cop. Let me know how you feel about these. Are you willing to pay $750 in resale? Seeing them in hand, I would go $750 now because you give it 3 months, you're going to be in the 1500s. That's what happened to me with the Jordan 1 Unions. I was so mad that they were saying I wasn't acting like a human that I just said to hell with them sneakers, man. And I could have got them when they were at 700, 900. You look now, they're at a whopping 2200. So I always say, if you want something, buy it, but buy early, man. Especially something with the potential like this to go up to the 1800s by next week, man. I'm your guy, C-Notes. Thanks for checking in. Hit the bell, subscribe, thumbs up, all that stuff that these YouTubers beg you to do. I would love the channel to grow, so hit the thumbs up. But if you forget, it is what it is. Thanks for watching, man. I'm your boy, Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.